In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an address on an AliExpress order. This process is important if you've realized the shipping address needs to be updated before your order is dispatched. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure your package arrives at the right location. First, you'll need to open the AliExpress app or website. Using the app or website makes it easy to access your account details. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Make sure you use the correct login credentials. This step is crucial because it allows you to access your order details. Now navigate to the My Cart section and then proceed to checkout. Here you'll find a list of your orders ready for review. From that list, select the order you wish to update. It's important to choose the correct order to ensure that the change is applied accurately. Next up, look for the option to change address or edit address. This option may not always be immediately visible, so take your time to locate it. If the option is available, tap on it. This allows you to enter the correct shipping address. Make sure you input every detail carefully, including street name, city, and postal code. After entering the new address, double-check the information you've provided. Reviewing the details is crucial because it ensures there are no errors that could lead to delivery issues. Once you're satisfied with the address you've entered, it's time to tap Save or Confirm. This step makes sure your changes are saved in the system. At this point, you'll want to continue to place the order with the updated details. This ensures that your package is processed with the correct address. Remember, making these adjustments before the order is shipped saves a lot of hassle later on. If your order has already shipped, unfortunately, you won't be able to change the address through AliExpress. In such cases, contacting the shipping provider directly might be your best option. However, taking action before the order is shipped is always preferable. Now let's circle back and recap what we've covered. First, we accessed the AliExpress app or website and logged into our account. Then we navigated to My Cart and proceeded to checkout. After that, we selected the order we wanted to update and found the option to change or edit the address. Finally, we entered the new address, reviewed it for accuracy, and saved our changes. By following these steps, you ensure that your package reaches the correct destination. This can save you not only time, but also potential delivery fees and complications. It's always a good idea to review your shipping details before confirming any order. This little step can prevent many headaches down the line. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day and happy shopping on AliExpress.